Children, so we have completed the lesson directions, lesson 16. Now it's our exercise time. Let us do the exercise. So our first exercise is exercise A. Answer the following questions. So few questions are given. Read the question and then answer it. Okay? So read the first question, children. Can you read the question along with me? First question is, where does the sun rise? Very easy. Where does the sun rise? The sun rises in the east direction, isn't it? Yes. So answer. The sun rises in the east. E-A-S-T, east. Coming to the second question. What is the second question? Read. Where does the sun set? Where does the sun set? The sun sets in the which direction? West. Yes, answer. The sun sets in the west. W-E-S-T, west. Now, third question. Coming to the third question. Come on, read. What are the four main directions? What are the four main directions? You learned about four main directions. Which are they? North, south, east and west. These are the four main directions. They never change. Yes, answer. The four main directions are north, N-O-R-T-H, north, comma, south, S-O-U-T-H, south, comma, east, E-A-S-T and west, W-E-S-T. Yes. Next, fourth question, children, which is the fourth question here. What is the opposite of south? Means what is the direction opposite to the south? North, south, east, west we say. So opposite to the south is which direction? Which direction comes opposite to the south? North. So answer is opposite of the direction south is north. Because we say north, south. So opposite of south is north, opposite of north is south. East, west. So opposite of east is west, opposite of west is east, like that. Now, last question, the fifth question, which is the last question. Name the sub-directions. Yes, so we learned about four main directions and we learned about four sub-directions also. So which are the sub-directions, children? The halfway between north and east, northeast, north and west, northwest. Then halfway between south and east, southeast, then south and west, southwest. So northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. These are the sub-directions. Yes, so answer northeast, comma northwest, comma southeast and southwest. When you are writing this, in between there is small hyphen. Okay? Yes, these are the main sub-directions. So the first question, where does the sun rise? Answer, the sun rises in the east. Second, where does the sun set? Answer, the sun sets in the west. Third, what are the four main directions? The four main directions are north, south, east and west. Fourth, what is the opposite of south? Answer, opposite of the direction south is north. Fifth question, the last question, name the sub-directions. Answer, northeast, northwest, comma southeast and southwest are the main sub-directions. Okay? Children, so our next exercise is exercise B. Fill up the following blanks using the clue kit. There is a clue kit given for the fill in the blanks. In the textbook, children, it is given below the fill in the blanks. I have written here above the fill in the blanks so that you can see it clearly. Okay, so let us see which are the words given in the clue kit. Southwest, northeast, west, east. These are the words in the clue kit. Using these words, you have to fill each blank. Okay. First one, the sun rises in the, it's very easy, the sun rises in the east, isn't it? So this is the answer. Sun rises in the east. E-A-S-T, east. Next, the sun sets in the west. Yes, this is the answer. West. W-E-S-T, west. Then third, the halfway between north and east is. The halfway between north and east is? Yes, northeast. Yes, northeast. N-O-R-T-H, north, then east. The halfway between north and east is northeast. Last one, fourth one, the halfway between south and west is southwest. This is the answer. Southwest. The halfway between south and west is southwest. S-O-U-T-H-W-E-S-T. Southwest. So the first one, the sun rises in the east. Second, the sun sets in the west. Third, the halfway between north and east is northeast. Fourth, the halfway between south and west is southwest. Okay? Children, our next exercise is exercise C. State whether the following statements are true or false. So given are few statements. Read the statements, check whether they are true or false. If it is correct, if it is true, write in the brackets true, T-R-U-E. If the statement is not correct, if it is false, then write false in the bracket, F-A-L-S-E. Yes. So first statement, the sun sets in the east. Is the statement correct, children? Is it true? The sun sets in the west, not in the east. Sun rises in the east. Yes. So the given statement, the sun sets in the east, is wrong. It's a false statement. So you can write here false, F-A-L-S-E, false in the brackets. Second, directions are 4 in number. Is it? Directions are in how many directions we have? 4. Yes. So the given statement is correct. It is true. So you can write true here. T-R-U-E, true. Next, third, Kashmir is in the south of India. If you hang a map here or on a wall, the top shows north, the bottom shows south. Top is Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir is in the north part of India. So Kashmir is in the south of India. The statement is wrong. It is in the north part. So the given statement is false. So you can write false here. Isn't it? Yes. Now coming to the fourth statement. Kerala is in the south of India. Yes. On the map, upper portion, the top is north, bottom is south. Bottom, you can see Tamil Nadu, Kerala and all. Yes, so bottom is the south part. So Kerala is in the south of India. If you see the map, you can see that Kerala is in the south only. So the given statement is correct. Given statement is correct. It is true. So write here true. T-R-U-E, true. Now the last one, last statement. We should know the directions with the help of shadows of the sun. How can we know the directions? Sun helps us in finding the directions. So we should know the directions with the help of shadows of the sun. It is a correct statement. It is true. So here you can write true. T-R-U-E, true. So the first one, the sun sets in the east. Wrong statement. It is false. So write false in the brackets. Second, directions are 4 in number. Yes, it's true. True. Third, Kashmir is the south of India. It's wrong. So false. Fourth, Kerala is in the south of India. It is true. So you can write true here. Last one, we should know the directions with the help of shadows of the sun. Yes, it is a true statement. So we can write true here. Okay. Children, now it's time to do the project work. Let us see what is the project that as given in the textbook. Time to do. Read the map and answer the questions that follow. Yes, there is a map given, a small map with some pictures. You can see here a zoo, a library, hospital, home, office, park, school, castle. Okay, these are the pictures given on this map. In middle, children are the, means you and your friend are standing in the middle. Surrounding you, these pictures are there. Directions and sub-directions are marked here. Now you have to answer this. In which direction of you following are located? Means hospital. First, you have to answer where is the hospital. Before that, children, you know the directions, right? You are standing in front of the sun. Then if you are facing sun means it is east, back side west, left north and right south. Yes, that is the way to find the direction. But now you can see here the north is here, top part north, bottom is south, your left is east and right is west. Okay, so first you see north part, upper portion. Here north part you can see library. This is in the north side. And you and your friend is here. Your top is north, that's library, and bottom down, straight down is school. Means south direction you can see school. So north of you and your friend is library, south of you and your friend is school. Now see east and west. We are seeing what all things are there in the main direction. So north south is of you and your friend is library and school. What about east and west? East is office. Each side you can see office and your west side you can see your home. Isn't it? Yes. So the four main directions now finished. North part is of you and your friend is library. South part of you and your friend is school. East of you and your friend is office. And west of you and your friend is home. Now coming to the sub-directions. Northeast, the halfway between north and east, northeast. So this direction, halfway, northeast direction, you can see what? Sub-directions. You can see the hospital. Hospital is in the northeast direction. Yes. Now, northwest you come. Here, this side, halfway between north and west. Yes, here you can see zoo. Zoo is in the northwest direction, the halfway between north and west. That is zoo. Then coming to the southeast, the halfway between south and east, southeast. So south and east, halfway between south and east, southeast. There you can see castle, a palace. Castle means palace. Here southeast you can see castle. And here the halfway between south and west, this is southwest. So between south and west, what you can see here, children? Between south and west you can see park. So southwest is you and your friend, southwest is park. Now it is easy for you to find the places, isn't it? So the map is here. Map is here, children, and the places are here. Middle, you and your friend. First you see the main directions. Top of you is north, bottom is south. Your left is east and your right is west, isn't it? Left side you can see top is north, bottom is south. Left side you can see east and right side you can see west. So here first you see the main directions. North you can see library. You and your friend north is library. Your south is school. Now see the east side. East side is, left side is office, and so right side. Right is your east. So we marked now what these places. Direction. So you and your friend is in the middle, and surrounding you places are there. So you have to mark the directions of these places. So first you have to find the main direction. So main directions, top is north, bottom is south, and your right side is east, left side is west. So you and your friend is in the middle. Your top is north, top side of you and your friend is library, so north part is library. Below or bottom part of you and your friend is school, that is south direction, so school is in the south direction. Then right of yours is east. East, you can see your office, you and your friend, right side is office, left side is west. So left side of you and your friend is home. So home is in the west direction. So 4 main directions is completed. Now sub directions. Yes, sub directions. Halfway between north and east is northeast. So northeast, between north and east. Northeast, you can see hospital. Then halfway between north and west is northwest. North and west, here you can see zoo. Then halfway between south and east, you can see castle, the palace. The halfway between south and west, southwest, south and west, it is southwest, you can see park. This is the way to find the direction of these places. I think now you understood. So here this thing you can write. In which direction of you is the hospital? Where is the hospital? It is in the northeast. So you can write NE or northeast. Second, office. Where is office? It is in the east direction. You can write east there. Next, castle, the palace. Where it is? In the southeast or south SE you can write. Next, school. Where is school? School is to the south of you and your friend. So you can write south there. Now park. Where is the park? In the southwest or SW. Home. Where is the home? West side. So west. Then zoo. Zoo is on the northwest side. NW. Yes. Life skills. Do you want to know which direction your school lies on a map? Do you want to know on which direction your school lies on a map? Here is the information. To know that, you can find that how maps often use symbols instead of words to show clear direction. So in the map, all the maps, we use symbols to show the directions, not words. So if we are using symbols, it is easy to find. Symbols can be small pictures, letters, lines or colored areas to show features like, means symbols. Map always use symbols to show the school or the bridge, airport, road, whatever is there on the map. To show that, map always use symbols and different colors also. Symbols they use. Symbols means it can be pictures, lines, letters, like that. For the information like schools, they use pictures. For railway stations, bus stations, airport, etc. For all these informations, they use symbols. If you see a map closely, you would find many symbols. So children, in Atlas is a book of maps. You can find many maps in that. See the map, you can see symbols that used in the map. Different symbols are used to represent school, railway, road, etc. Yes, then you can understand. Here a map is given, children. See map key. So neighborhood they have shown with small houses picture. Road, how they have shown the road in a rectangle shape. Forest they have shown with, see the forest, some trees they have shown. Then river, how in blue color, rectangular symbol river. Then farm, see how they have shown the farm. Yes, picture they have shown. Bridge, how they have shown the bridge. Yes, with white rectangle and with red borders. Then airport, they have shown an aeroplane. So map use different symbols, colors to represent school, airport, then neighborhood, road, forest, etc. They use different colors to show these features. So it is easy or clearly we can understand about this information. Instead of words, map use symbols. Take any map, then you can understand that. You will understand how the map used these symbols. Okay? Yes. So that is the main advantage of map. It is easy to understand if we see the pictures instead of words. So if you take any example of map, any map if you take, you can understand that. Okay, children? So we have completed the lesson. We have completed term 3, children. Okay, all portions are completed in the term 3, and now it's your duty to learn each and every lesson well. Read the lesson properly. Read as many times as possible, children. It improves your reading skills. And after reading, then you go to the exercise part. It will be so easy for you to do the exercise after reading the lessons thoroughly. Then learn the exercise well. Okay, read the lessons many times, learn the exercise, then score good marks for your assignment and exams. Okay.